Hey guys, Amanda here, the Chica Travelista, and today I'm going to share with you some new and exciting things going on right here at the Galley Bay Resort in Antigua. Let's check out one of the newly renovated premium beachfront suites. Now, of course, here at Galley Bay, all the suites are absolutely stunning, but these ones are newly renovated. All rooms come with a new Brit coffee maker. All the flooring is brand new. We have some new light fixtures, and one of my favorite additions in this suite is the bathroom. You gotta check this out. This is a bathroom you're never gonna wanna leave. Is this not the biggest shower that you've ever seen? I just love the cobblestone walls. All the fixtures in here are brand new. Another new addition that they've made is they blocked off the bathroom, so now we have a separate bathroom from the shower. I'm sure everybody will appreciate that. And we have this giant tub here. What Galley Bay does is a great job of blending authentic Caribbean with modern, and that's exactly what we have here in this suite.
And with a secluded shady terrace and your own sun loungers, this is truly paradise.
So come check out Galley Bay's newly renovated premium beachfront suites. They're right here waiting for you.